Okay, so we're going to take a look at section 2.1 of the notes, the balance sheet. So the balance sheet is like a snapshot of the firm. It's just take a picture of the firm, and what does it tell you? It tells you what the firm owns. Those are your assets. It tells you what the firm owes. Those are the liabilities. And it tells you the difference between the two, which is our shareholders' equity. Right? We have different types of assets. We have the current assets, the fixed assets, what are called tangible assets and intangible assets. We then have the liabilities. What do we owe? We have current and we have long-term. And then lastly, and if you take a look at point D, 1D in your notes, it says equity and theory. If a firm used all of its assets to pay its liabilities, then whatever is left over is what the shareholders would receive. So think about that. If you own some things and you owed some things and people were invested in your company, well, if you took everything that you owned and turned it into cash so that you could sell it to pay off everything that you owed, if there's any money left over, that should go to the owners. The owners are the shareholders. Okay, so the balance sheet identity becomes something that you've seen for sure before, is assets need to equal liabilities plus shareholders' equity.